This is gonna be embarrassing when I tell you what time it is when I'm this tired. It's 11:35 in the afternoon. Okay, but we have a big day ahead of us because it's Saturday. It's like in the middle of finals, and nonetheless, it's the weekend, and we're going to turn up and have some fun because it's been a rough couple of weeks, I'll tell you. But today, they already like went to the gym and like tanned and did all of that for extra stuff, and I've literally been like sleeping. So today we're going to go to the mall. We're gonna leave at like 12:30. Chloe wants to find a bathing suit, and after that we're just gonna come back to the apartment and get ready because we are going to a beach bonfire tonight at New Smyrna Beach. So that'll be super fun. For now, I really do have to get ready because we leave in like an hour, and I literally have to go straighten my hair. So I'm gonna get to straightening my hair. My hair is usually curly, but I like sat on it weird last night and didn't put any product in it. But I'm gonna go ahead and straighten my hair, and I will see you guys when it's done. I'm gonna have a little bit of makeup on when I fix what's going on here. I'm ready. So I did my hair, which actually came out really good today because sometimes when I do it, it comes out kind of, because my hair's curly, so it's not greasy, so it comes out kind of like dry. It came out really good today, and I'm gonna go over it again in like 3 days. I just put some skin tint on with some mascara and eyebrow gel, and then I have my fit of the day, which I will do a fit of the day with my roommates in a second. I'm listening to music. Hopefully it doesn't copyright me. Still sipping on my coffee. It is 12:36, and I said we're leaving at 12:30, but we're on the red light. So say hi, Elena.
Yes, baby stuff.
Who are you on the phone with?
My mom.
Oh,
Say hi.
hi. Everyone's a little tired today. We did have people over yesterday. I say people, it was literally just Isaac. We stayed up kind of late. It was like midnight. I'm dramatic. They went to bed at like 1, so I'm gonna put in these little earrings. Super cute. Yeah, we watched Anyone But You last night. I thought I wasn't gonna like it just because of like the discourse on the movie, but it was actually a really good movie, and I was writing an essay while I was watching it, so I wasn't even watching it, but it was still really good in my opinion. So we're all just kind of done, and everyone's ready to go back home, and I'm especially ready for summer and traveling. So I say this in every single one of my vlogs, but I do want to try to make like a YouTube comeback. I've always posted on YouTube in very weird like time frames. It's really, I never have done consistent vlogging, which obviously something that we'll do, but like life gets busy, and yes, vlogging is easy, but editing takes like 2 days max for me. Just to double check everything, make sure everything's perfect. That's kind of the biggest reason why I've kind of strayed away from it, because I do have a lot of work still. I'm gonna try to integrate vlogging into it. I will be back with an outfit of the day with roomies. So outfit of the day, yay!
Did I say where my stuff is from? Hey guys, so this is the outfit of the day for the month. This bodysuit is from wait, H&M. H&M. I'm pretty sure this is from Paxson. Nike. And these glasses, I got them at Old Navy yesterday. So the shirt is from Maya's Closet. These shorts are from Lucky Brand. Air Forces. That's it.
And this is from Marshalls, American Eagle, Converse. That's it.
Jeans are Abercrombie, top is Zara, shoes are Behas, and my glasses are Amazon.
I put my purse in the mix.
Oh, my purse!
Michael Kors.
No, I don't know what it is.
Chickpeas.
Chickpeas!
Lulu.
Oh, voila.
We're at the mall now. Everyone's trying on clothes, and I had to go to the bathroom, so.
For the second time.
Okay, you know what?
Hey guys, so we have gone to some
Price stores, and we're all broke college students.
Yeah.
So we don't know what to do. Right now we're gonna go check out some deals. It's so cute. You'll see it tonight when we go. Guys, I have an eye infection. I'm actually really excited. I've only had it once, and it was during an interesting trip, to say the least. Yeah, we don't talk about UF trip. We don't talk about UF trip. I want to put a positive memory on Kava. So we're getting it again. Okay guys, the lighting is really bad in this area, so don't mind that. It's 6:33. I don't remember the last time I vlogged was, but I think it was literally like at the mall. We left the mall at about like 4:30, and we got Kava, which I think I did film that. Now we've been like rotting in our bed for like a good hot hour, and we're getting ready for the beach bonfire. It's being thrown by my roommate's brother and like his friend group. This is the fit. I'll give a full fit check later, but you can kind of get like a sneak peek of it. I'm gonna straighten slash like fluff my hair and do some makeup real quick. We're not gonna like go in the water or anything. It's just like not feeling the best right now. Took some Advil, trying to power through. Now I'm just gonna get ready and blast some music, and we're gonna leave. I was really gonna say we're gonna leave at 6:30 because that was the plan, and it's 6:34. I guess I'll just see you when we're walking out the door. So this is the fit for tonight. I'm wearing Elena's top and Maya's pants. Don't know where they're from at all. It is kind of funny because all day today I've been stealing other people's clothes. The bathing suit I'm wearing under it is from Cup, C-U-U-P, and I really love this brand. Amazing bathing suits. And then I'm wearing the Birks, the super old Birks from 8th grade. This is the fit, and I'll probably bring a little sweatshirt or something because it's gonna be cold.
This is from, I don't know. This is from Target. This is from Skylar's Closet, and these are from Old Navy.
These are from Earring. This is from Earring. That's it.
Great. Forever 21, Paxson, Crocs. House down. Well, Pookie's looking fabulous. Fire.
We'll be an hour late.
Don't even worry about it. Start at 7. Actually, it starts at 8. The party doesn't start until we get there.
Exactly.
Exactly. Walked in the wrong place, and it's actually 10 minutes away from us. Oopsies. We walked. Our mistake. Anyway, this is a bit awkward, isn't it? I totally forgot to end the vlog from last night. We went to Taco Bell after the beach, and then we just drove the hour home, showered, completely passed out. We were tired after the day we had yesterday. I am going to end the vlog now. I'm going to mass, so that's why I'm all like dressed up. But yeah, I just wanted to end it so it's not left on just like us at the beach. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I want to start vlogging more because it's something I really enjoy, and I like to share my life with everyone. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next vlog. Bye.
You